my curly and wavy friends. I hope you are all well. Okay, no, I'm not selling Bibles, guys, but I just thought, let's have a look at Curlsmith first. So, today I'm going to be using Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So you kind of like massage it to your scalp. You can just put it all over your hair, but don't rinse it out. That's why you're going to be using Wash&Scrub Detox Probiotic. Basically, massage your scalp and rinse it out. Then, following by soothing mask. You can leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, but if you want it to be a bit like deeper, it could be up there for 30 minutes, which I'm gonna do. Put it under this, so looking nice and sexy. I also put like a towel on top of that, which like a normal towel, that I'm gonna be putting into microwave for like 1 minute and 40 seconds. And basically you're just gonna put it on top of that, so your hair is kind of like just it just reactivates whatever you just put there, which is the mask. Rinse it out, and then following with Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. So guys, you ready for that? I'm not. I know, it's not pretty. But, so imagine my hair is obviously wet. Putting the conditioner there from kind of like the middle parts till the length. I put it there as like with like praying hands method all over. And in this part I also like brush my hair, leave it on side, just you know, 3 to 5 minutes, rinse it out after that. You can use it like obviously like squish to condition, bowl method, and then I'll be following with air dry cream and jelly, which is that part is going to be without like no talking. Okay, shut up, Teresa. That's going to be just like quickly doing this and that, and hopefully that will help you out. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go and wash my hair. Woohoo!